Hello everyone, let's delve into the pre-Neolithic era and discover more about the evolution of humanity. We explore publicly accessible websites containing information about pre-Neolithic human evolution, including sources like the Smithsonian and Wikipedia. A human evolution timeline. Let's delve into the study of human evolution using the wealth of research available online. To begin, we'll turn our attention to understanding the human evolutionary timeline as presented by the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. As we immerse ourselves in this exploration, we discover that throughout the course of human evolution, the Earth's climate has experienced significant fluctuations, alternating between warm and cold periods. It's noteworthy that some of the most pivotal milestones in human evolution coincided with these pronounced climate shifts. Let's further investigate the intricate relationship between climate variations and the progression of human evolution by examining the timeline in greater detail. By 6 million years ago, hominins had already adopted bipedalism. Sahelanthropus, one of the earliest human ancestors identified, provides the oldest evidence of walking upright. This adaptation to bipedal locomotion likely conferred survival advantages to Sahelanthropus, enabling it to thrive in a range of habitats such as forests and grasslands in its vicinity. Around 4 million years ago, early human species inhabited regions characterized by a combination of open areas and dense woodlands. Their physical characteristics had undergone evolutionary changes that allowed them to predominantly walk upright while retaining the ability to climb trees. This dual adaptation facilitated their ability to exploit resources from both open landscapes and forested environments. Around 2.6 million years ago, human species initiated the crafting of tools for hunting. These earliest tools comprised basic stone flakes and cores. Over a span of more than 2 million years, early humans relied on these tools to perform various tasks such as cutting, pounding, crushing, and accessing previously unavailable food sources, including meat from large animals. Around 800,000 years ago, human species began harnessing the power of fire. This newfound control over fire introduced a versatile tool with numerous applications, notably cooking, which brought about a significant transformation in the early human diet. It's likely that early humans gathered around campfires for various purposes such as socializing, seeking comfort and warmth, sharing food and knowledge, and seeking protection from predators. Between 800,000 and 200,000 years ago, the evolution of the human brain experienced its most rapid growth, coinciding with significant shifts in climate. The development of larger and more complex brains allowed early humans during this era to engage with each other and their environment in novel ways, as environmental conditions became increasingly erratic. The advantages conferred by larger brains played a crucial role in the survival of our ancestors. Additionally, scientists identified a significant figure from this period known as the Y chromosomal atom. Let's talk about the Y chromosomal atom. The concept of Y chromosomal atom represents the most recent common ancestor shared by all present-day humans along the patrilineal line, traced through the Y chromosome. This theoretical figure is estimated to have lived around 300,000 years ago, coinciding with the period when Homo sapiens first invented the spearhead for hunting. Well, he wasn't the sole male alive during his time. He is unique in that his direct paternal lineage remains unbroken in all contemporary humans. The term Y chromosomal Adam is employed within genetic research and evolutionary biology to delve into human ancestry and population genetics. Now let's delve into the impact of climate on human evolution, as discussed by the Smithsonian. Climate fluctuation. Paleoanthropologists have explored how environmental conditions might have influenced key developments in human evolution, such as upright walking, tool making, brain enlargement, prolonged maturation, complex social behaviour, and technological dependence. Throughout human evolution, environmental changes like cooling, drying, and broader climate fluctuations have occurred, shaping the emergence of new adaptations, the rise and fall of early hominin species, and the evolution of Homo sapiens. The study of oxygen isotopes in foraminiferous skeletons provides evidence of past climate changes, indicating both a general decrease in temperature and increased climate variability over time. Notably, the later stages of human evolution experienced greater environmental variability compared to earlier stages. Over the course of human evolution spanning the past 6 million years, a 10 million year record of oxygen stable isotopes obtained from foraminifera in deep sea sediment cores reveals significant fluctuations in global ocean temperature and glacial ice coverage. The Delta 18 measurement reflects these changes, showing a gradual trend towards a cooler, glaciated world. However, oscillations in Delta 18O intensified around 6 million years ago and increased further over the last 2.5 million years. These climatic shifts coincided with key evolutionary milestones, including the emergence of hominins, the adoption of bipedalism, the development of tool-making and meat consumption, the onset of long-distance mobility, rapid brain enlargement, and the expansion of symbolic expression and cultural diversity. Organisms and environmental change. Organisms face diverse environmental changes ranging from daily fluctuations to long-term shifts, impacting factors like temperature, precipitation, vegetation, and topography. Events such as tectonic activity, volcanic eruptions, and forest fires further influence ecosystems, with effects lasting for extended periods, challenging survival due to heightened instability. When habitats change, species can relocate or genetically adapt. Failure to do so may lead to extinction. However, adaptable species like humans can thrive in various environments, in environments typical of the Pleo-Pleistocene. Population evolution can result in three outcomes. Relocation or expanded adaptability ensures survival, while extinction occurs if species lack adaptability and cannot relocate. The evolution of adaptability drives variability selection, a concept explored further in this article. Environmental hypothesis of human evolution. Over time, organisms can evolve new adaptations in response to various environmental conditions. These adaptations may arise during periods of stable environments, directional changes such as shifts from wet to dry climates, or highly variable habitats, as proposed by the variability selection hypothesis. Organisms can cope with environmental fluctuations through genetic adaptation, where different gene versions alleles are favoured by natural selection as conditions change. Additionally, phenotypic plasticity, where genes facilitate different forms in different environments, aids in adaptation. Another response to environmental change is the evolution of structures and behaviours to cope with diverse environments, known as variability selection. Unlike hypotheses based on consistent environmental trends, variability selection suggests that adaptability to changing and unpredictable conditions is advantageous over specialization for specific environments. Testing this hypothesis involves examining the hominin fossil record and environmental change during human evolution. Evidence from the hominin fossil record and environmental data indicates that hominins evolved during a time of environmental variability. Periods of increased variability, resulting from changes in seasonality, led to large-scale environmental fluctuations lasting tens of thousands of years. The variability selection hypothesis suggests that human traits evolved to enable ancestors to adapt to environmental uncertainty and change, addressing the evolution of adaptability over time. The initial segment of this video delves into the evolution of human species spanning millions of years, during which climatic fluctuations and environmental changes have prompted adaptation. Over this extended time frame, intelligence has gradually advanced, transitioning from the crafting of rudimentary tools to the development of more sophisticated implements like spearheads for hunting. Despite this progression, human species persisted in a primitive existence throughout these millions of years. The next section of the video will explore the Neolithic Revolution and its aftermath up to the present day. The interactive timeline on the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History's website offers a comprehensive overview of pivotal moments in human evolution. It underscores the significant influence environmental changes, particularly fluctuations in climate, on the development of human characteristics and behaviours across vast spans of time. Commencing approximately 6 million years ago. The timeline traces the evolution of hominins from the adoption of bipedalism to the emergence of tool-making, utilisation of fire, and periods of accelerated brain growth. This detailed exploration sheds light on the intricate interplay between environmental dynamics and the evolutionary trajectory of humanity. Notably, it underscores the gradual pace of evolution, highlighting that even minor advancements in intelligence span millions of years. The next section of the video will explore the Neolithic Revolution and its aftermath up to the present day. When it comes to reaching conclusions, biologists often struggle. And this humorous anecdote highlights that fact. Why did the biologist attend art class? To acquire the skill of drawing conclusions.